Title: The Dark Side of AI, How It Can Harm Us. Hey there. Welcome to our new video. Today, we're going to talk about AI and how it can be harmful to human beings. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the technology that allows machines to learn from data and perform human-like tasks. It has become an essential part of our lives, from virtual assistants to driverless cars, from personalized recommendations to medical diagnosis. However, AI is not always beneficial, it has its dark side as well. Let's explore some of the ways AI can harm us. First, AI can perpetuate bias and discrimination. Algorithms are designed by humans, and if they're fed biased data, they will produce biased results. This can result in unfair decisions, job discrimination, and social inequality. Second, AI can threaten privacy and security. With access to vast amounts of data, AI can easily collect personal information, including sensitive data, such as medical records or financial transactions. This can lead to breaches of personal privacy, identity theft, financial fraud, and cybercrime. Third, AI can replace human workers, leading to job loss and social disruption. Some experts predict that AI will replace up to 50% of jobs in the next few decades, especially in industries such as manufacturing, transportation, and service. Fourth, AI can be used for malicious purposes, such as cyber attacks, hacking, or surveillance. AI-powered bots and algorithms can cause significant damage to critical infrastructure, national security, and public safety. In conclusion, while AI has the potential to transform our lives positively, we need to be aware of its harmful effects and take measures to prevent them. Ethics, transparency, and regulations are critical components to ensure that AI serves the common good and not the interests of a few. Thank you for watching video. Please subscribe the channel for more updates. Click the bell icon.